Welcome to my well space, and how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful time. And thank you for joining in. I'm bringing one of the companies in the area of sectors which we have identified to help us to build this generational wealth. I'm talking about in the area of EV, electric vehicle, crypto, and also cannabis. So I'm bringing Rivian to us today to say Rivian, like any of the EV company, they are facing the same challenges like as Tesla or as Lucid and Neo and the rest of them. But Rivian seems to be have made a great decision in trying to cut cost and trying to get the next level, trying to get their company, their finances off the ground. And this is why I'm bringing it to us today, for us to be able to look at Rivian. And if we remember, Rivian had a contract with Amazon to build I believe over 100,000 units of trucks for a period of I don't know, maybe 5 years or something like that. But they already start building those trucks, and they already start delivering those stocks. So Rivian creates opportunity so for us to be able to invest into, and this is why I am bringing Rivian again. Now, again, why I say it again, because we have talked about Rivian in the past. Now, their earning for this year, their first quarter earning is coming in couples of days, and there are some things that we can look into, looking forward to, looking up to the earnings, which is coming in couples of days. So this is why I'm bringing Rivian to us. I believe Rivian presents an opportunity for us to be able to DCA, and also in the long run, it will give us what we need, which is a good return from our investment. So Rivian is more or less like Tesla to me, personally, in the sense that they continue to stabilize and cut cost, and bringing out new model, and bringing out new cost, cutting of cost around the whole company. They're cutting cost. So in order for them to be able to bring the price or the cost of the vehicle down. So if they can do that, that means they will be competitive. They'll be very competitive. And if they are competitive, then they will be able to bring in more cash, and they will be able to reach their goal. So after Tesla, I would like to look at Rivian, and they more kind of focused and specialized in trucks. Like I've said, they already have a contract with Amazon, to build this truck for them. And that is why I want you guys, I want you also to look at Rivian, and look at Tesla, look at Rivian. It seems to me as if Rivian is kind of follow the footstep of Tesla with the new strategy that they adopted. So that is why I'm saying let's go. And their earning is coming up very soon. So and from the all high to where they are right now, they seem to present opportunity for. Let me just show us what I'm talking about Rivian. So if we look at Rivian right now, it is $9 20 cents. This is $9.20. That's today. It went up 3.37% today, which is about 30 cents. And in the last 5 days, it went up 6.85%. Now, this might have to do with people expectation of their earning that is coming pretty soon. So people trying to kind of how it goes, trying to position themselves to see maybe they can swing trade it, or maybe the earnings would be really good, that they want to be part of it going up there. So this is what it is, 6.85, and in the last 1 month, it has come down 17%. What about 6 months ago? 42%. What about a year ago? Year to date, I mean, is 56%, down. Okay. So let's talk about 1 year ago. It's about 27%. What about from, let's say from all high? What does it present? So Rivian, from all high, Rivian has come down 92%. This is what I'm talking about, that it presents opportunity, for us to be able to, if we do our research and we see that Rivian has opportunity, then if you look at from all-time high to where it is now, it has dropped down 92%. So 92%, it is not bad for a stock to kind of get into it when it has lost 92%. That's if you think that the company will make it and the company will survive it. So having opportunity or chance or probability of it going 92% up, I don't think it is bad. But if we think it's not, then we don't have to get into it. But I think with the cost, the cutting of the cost that they had, and the model, the business model that they are adopting right now, just like the way Tesla was doing it, trying to cut the cost of a unit of a vehicle, and also trying to cut cost by reducing other expenses where we can focus. So that is just my take, that I think they can do. But we can't just go by the face value alone. Okay, so let's look at the earnings. Their earnings is coming up pretty soon, and what are people expecting, and what are they saying? So it's a Rivian showed silver lining before earnings. Before their earnings, the silver line. So their earnings is coming up on May 7th, 2024. That's what is expected. So these are just the summary of some of the silver linings that people are trying to see what happened. Rivian is facing strong competition in the EV segment as Tesla and other companies have announced big price cut to attract customers. So because people are cutting price, because the competitor are cutting price, so Rivian has to do something to be able to compete. So they are cutting price also, just as I said. So we can say that Rivian is on the right path. They are doing the right thing just for them to be able to compete. So Tesla is cutting price. Rivian is also cutting price. So Rivian has a cash flow of 9.4 billion at the end of last year. So they have a cash flow of 9.4 billion, which is not bad. But they have to continue to bring money, turn things around, so that they won't run out of cash. That's one of the challenges. Then higher cash reserve compared to current volume give Rivian flexibility for additional discount, like they gave on the Earth Day. So because they have this cash flow, it gives them flexibility, to be able to cut price and still be able to deliver on their promises. So this year, they are expecting about 57,000 deliveries. Okay. So the company is also cutting costs and improving supply chain, which should help it achieve positive gross profit by the end of this year. That is, the cutting price, and it's going to help them, and improving supply chain also. So Rivian PS ratio is quite attractive. The revenue base of the company and forward growth runway. So this is why so if you look at all those summaries, the cutting price and having a cash flow, and coming out with a new model, introducing a new model car, crossover to the public, and cutting expenses. So all those are positive things that help Rivian, that help the company to be able to stabilize, and at the end of the way start climbing up to start making profits. This is one thing that we are looking into, in a company, for us to understand their strategy and their plan and what they are doing. It help us to kind of see. But sometimes even beyond all those things, the big what did I call it? The big roaring lion is the inflation. It is the interest rate that seems to be high right now. So it's affecting all the auto industry, especially the EV that is just trying to get off the ground. It's because the people cannot get a reasonable interest loan, that interest rate loan that will warrant them to be able to buy a new car, and because EVs is just coming, electric vehicles just coming up, so they suffer it more than because the interest rate now is high. But once all those things start coming down and they stick and they haven't implementing this strategy, I think it will help Rivian to go to the next level. I mean, this is just my own take, and I want you guys to kind of look into yours and see what opportunity that it present to us. But I want to bring it to us for us to know that Rivian is still there, and it creates opportunity for us to continue to DCA in, and also to continue to help us build this generational wealth. If this is your first time, like I've said earlier, I would like you, to subscribe to this channel, and for us to be able to share information and share new content about us building our generational wealth. If this is something that you're interested in, we are not doing something that hasn't been done before. Well, we're just trying to empower ourselves and share information for us to build generational wealth, for us to be financially free. So I would like you to share this video. I'd like you to comment. I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for listening. I would like you to read your comment also, so that I can see what area that I need to touch that I have not touched, and I will be able to kind of learn from you also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking time out. Until I see you in the next video, have a wonderful day.